And now for something completely different. Hey, everybody, it's Jeff from New York. And well, no, that wasn't different, but this video is certainly going to be different. Listen, I am in Las Vegas as I am editing this video. This video is going to have very few edits. I'd rather spend time out there recording while I'm in Vegas than in the hotel room editing. So I came up with this older video. It's not that old. I think it was back in June. It was a bus ride I took on the Deuce from the Fremont Street experience all the way to the Mirage. Instead of the usual several hours to edit a video, this one's going to take me, well, a lot shorter because it's pretty much going to be raw footage. Obviously, I don't want to spend time in my hotel room editing videos when I'm only here for a week and I'd rather be out there recording. So this is what it is. You might love it. You might like it. You might say, or you might say, I can't stand this video. Don't ever show anything like this to us again. And if your opinion falls into that last category, well, my apologies. I'm just going to call this the New York avant-garde video. Kind of like putting lipstick on a pig. In any event, this is pretty much real time, all the way from the Fremont Street experience to the Mirage Hotel and Casino. I am on the upper deck of the Deuce and behind that big window just filming everything, and no music, no commentary. Well, maybe a little commentary, but not that much. Just the sounds of the annoying bus riders behind me. You ready? Let's get going. I said I wouldn't commentate, but I just can't help myself. We're about a block off of the Fremont Street experience. As you can see, the Golden Nugget on our left. And if you look down the street to the right, that's signage for the Plaza Hotel and Casino downtown Las Vegas. And again, we're heading from downtown to the Las Vegas Strip. Right where the Mirage is, that's where I'm getting off this bus.
Seguro pasaba el cambio ya de cheque y 80 78 years. No sé si porque habíamos o así sea. Depende de la hora. No te digo que a mí me cobran 50 en el cuarto. Es que los taxis te cobran por día, ¿verdad? Es because the person had it right there, but they actually had it. Como el otro día no sé, fueron 7, ¿verdad? Look at the dinosaur, right? No, taxi. Sí, taxi. O sea, can we be dinosaurs for home? Yeah, we're gonna be dinosaurs. We're gonna break our necks. No, you people went up to dinosaurs. Are you sure you're gonna break your neck? Yes. Okay.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Pac-Man, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Silverton Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. Congratulations, Pac-Man. Good eye.
big wave.
Ahorita nos miramos, macho. Por aquí, ahí. Ya menos nada.
Y eso era con el descuento, tía.
You're gonna go to Where? People can get married in Vegas. I know people can get married in Vegas. Where? Where? Right there. Where? As long as we both know.
Okay.
We'll go. To the we'll sing. Cheese. Kingdom. Welcome to the
Ay, sí, ya $14. Mira, ya acá, ahorita.
Voy a ver.
We're laughing because someone goes, stop right there. I want to go look at it.
No, it's closer.
I think we've been there.
We gotta go to sleep.
Everybody's going to their hotel.
Yep.
Nothing's open. What time is it?
We're coming up to the Strat now, which I personally consider the northern end of the Strip, and Mandalay Bay, pretty much the southern point of the Strip. That's my opinion. Some people say that the northern end of the Strip is expanding so rapidly with the Fontainebleau and Resorts World and everything moving into this area that eventually this will become the center part of the Strip. We'll see in a couple dozen years, I guess.
¿Tu nombre de la canción?
¿Cuál? No sé qué pasa, no lo puedo escuchar.
Ahí está.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Did you know my reading teacher this year? Did you know I was one
Aquí en la Sahara.
¿Otra vez?
Oh, Santa María.
La canción que me le gustaba mucho a mi maestra de lectura, ella y yo, mi clase y su clase éramos los únicos clases que ella éramos.
Sí, ya sé cuál es. No la había escuchado esa parte de Tacones Rojos. Sí la he escuchado.
¿Quién la canta? Sebas, ¿sí sabes? Sí. No sé. Sí sé.
Esa que dicen. Dice que.
Oh, what's wrong with 16? A lo mejor, yeah. Like, oh, yeah, we did wrong. Like, yeah,
Ese es del Sahara. ¿Dijo? ¿Sahara?
sí.
Y el otro es el área.
Hilton. La primera vez que vimos a las Vegas con Luis, aquí nos quedamos.
Sí.
Vivimos todos.
Tina, Güero,
Laura,
Dora.
Juani. No, Dora siempre fue Sí. Todavía no sabíamos de nada de eso. Pero a veces es que ha venido la calle que se queda para abajo. Por eso no veíamos ir. Y siempre yo me iba al cuarto, mi avión, y luego se pegaban. Ya no se quedaban conmigo. Pero ya había apagado.
What?
Ahora sí la va a castigar.
Aquí siempre nos subimos Luis y yo en el bus.
Ahí.
Ponemos al mono y luego nos cruzamos por acá y aquí regresamos al bus para allá. Nosotros sí cumplimos ahí, hemos comido ahí. Es como el tenis, es como el
Ah,
tenis.
sí.
Así, con las dos placas.
Estaba bien lleno y nunca he venido.
Ahí ya ven, pero así los patos. Los pancakes.
Bueno, pues quién sabe ahorita, ¿verdad? Porque ya con eso bajaron la
Sí.
presión de todo, ¿verdad?
Wait, I didn't even know about this, but in my class, since I have a math teacher as my home teacher, my first class is math, so I just stay in the same classroom. And then on literally Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday or something, she said that we were having an end of the year project. And then she gave us 3 days to work on this.
What?
We had an end of the year project, right?
What?
And we had to finish the work before we had to send it
What?
back. And I really only want to go back because they're very slow.
What?
And my partner, I didn't know.
Darle que les dije que cumpleaños.
Aplaude, aplaude.
And then after I said like and after I said like
Esto es para.
A ver, no, Treasure Island, no.
Ya se me perdió, tío.
El Fashion Show.
El Stratosphere Island.
Treasure Island.
Ajá, esa es la anterior y luego la Mirage y luego es esa cuál es.
Sí, pero.
Yo creo que ese sí es el Mirage, que está enfrente, porque ese es de la fuente, ¿no?
Sí.
El del volcán, perdón.
Sí, y el Treasure Island me hace que está todavía muy acá, ¿no?
Sí.
Oiga, amigos. Sí, el Treasure Island está.
Y es la que sigue. Sí, mire.
Sigue el mall. Ese es el mall.
let's sing a song.
¿Ves? Aquí.
Dependiendo
Bueno,
no
sí, o
puedo
sea,
fallar.
después de esta.
No,
¿Y dónde nos subimos?
Wisconsin or something? And then we were gonna do lemonade.
No, we bought it already.
Bueno,
Like,
sí, todavía el que sigue. Ya es este.
Que sigue.
Ajá.
Sí, yo digo que aquí.
Ah, sí, este nos deja más acá porque el otro nos deja hasta que se termina el volcán.
wait, where's the Sundays? The one on Sunday.
A ver si me dejan irse aquí con el puentecito.
Ya sé.
We're gonna get off right here, guys.
Where's right here?
Like right here where it stops.
Man, I don't know.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.